want to thank my teachers, my family here, my students, my coworkers. Thank you very much. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for supporting me because I know I'm tough. Teachers, thank you very much. The first time when I walked in, I was nervous. I am now too. But it's part of me. Everything that we learned here is extraordinary for us. Not only to work, but for life. This is a life status. Everything is not easy. We have to put hands on. We have to study here and at home. We have to listen to teachers. We have playing and learning at the same time. As a team, we have to be a team since day one. If somebody is trying because we are shy, we are trying to get away from the others because we don't know too much as she knows. So we have to bring it back to the team. Don't let it go. That's how we success. And how they said we learned all those tests. And I want to thank Stephanie. She's the best of the best. She finished everything.
She
the
did
four
it all.
modules. That is not only that, that's
Extra.
extra. Okay? Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you for teaching us. And thank you for leading us a successful life. Thank you.